Level 4 asks us to be able to apply our knowledge in solving systems by elimination to a real-world scenario. So we have a word problem that we need to take a look at. Suppose your class sells gift wrap for $4 per package and greeting cards for $10 per package. Your class sells 205 packages in all and receives a total of $1,084. Find the number of packages of gift wrap and the number of packages of greeting cards sold. Just like when we were doing substitution, your first step is to identify your let statements. What is X going to stand for? What is Y going to stand for? Those come from the question that they're asking you. How many packages of greeting cards and how many packages of gift wrap? So I'm going to assign gift wrap to be my X. Which means that the number of packages of greeting cards will be my Y. Next, go ahead and take a look at your problem and see if you can separate it out into two categories of information that they've given you. One category that's pretty prevalent in our story problems is money. They give us information about how much each of the different kinds of packages cost and how much money they raise total. So there's gift wrap for $4 per package and greeting cards are $10 a package and they raise a total of $1,084. The other kind of information that they give us is how many total different packages they have. So let's focus on the money first. If I take $4 and multiply it by the number of packages of gift wrap, I would have the total amount of money that I'm spending in or that I'm raising in gift wrap. Add to that the $10 times the number of packages of greeting cards, and we would have the total amount of money that was raised from the gift wrap and greeting cards. Let's take a look at the next bit of information that they gave us, which was how many different kinds of packages there are. So if X is the number of packages of gift wrap and Y is the number of packages of greeting cards, and we know that there are 205 packages in all, we can add those two together to equal the 205. The next step is to make sure that you have written your equations so that your variables are lined up, which mine are, so I get to skip this step. Determine which variable you would like to eliminate. I'm going to choose to eliminate the X because I'd only have to multiply everything by 4, which would mean I'm dealing with smaller numbers. But you could have multiplied everything on the bottom by 10 so that you were dealing with easier numbers to multiply. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to eliminate the X value. So if I want them to eliminate, that means I need to do a little multiplication. My pink equation will be able to stay exactly as it is. And my blue equation is going to have to be multiplied. In order for it to get the opposite, it will need to be multiplied by a negative. And in order to make it be the same number in front, we're going to have to multiply by -4. Be sure that you are multiplying each of the individual pieces. So a total of 3 times we're multiplying by -4. Once we do that, of course, our pink equation is going to stay the same. But our blue equation will become -4x, -4y, and -4 times 205 equals -820. And just like we were doing when they gave us the system, we are adding the two of them together. So our x's really do cancel, and our y's become 6y. 1084 minus 820 gives me 264. Divide both sides by 6, and y equals 44, and that is packages of greeting cards. Remember, with word problems, we do not write them as a point because they actually have a meaning. So I know that part of my solution will be that there are 44 packages of greeting cards. In order to figure out how many packages of gift wrap, I'm going to go back to one of my original problems. This one doesn't have as many coefficients in front, so that's the one that I'm going to choose to use. And we are solving for x and plugging in our y value that we just found. So x plus 44 equals 205. To solve it, we would subtract 44 from both sides, which gives us 161 packages of gift wrap. So my final solution is there are 161 packages of gift wrap and 44 packages of greeting cards.